Hello, I'm from Birkbeck University of London, and in this video I'll be taking you through simple steps of how to apply to university in the UK. To study full-time, you apply via the UCAS website. You can apply to a maximum of 5 universities, and please note there is an application fee. Part-time applications differ slightly, so there is a separate video that explains this linked in the description. There are over 60 categories of subject courses available in the UK. You can explore them all using the UCAS website. Firstly, you need to register on the UCAS website, submit your details and answer questions like what year you want to study and your course preferences to create your personal account. It will ask you if you're applying via your school or college or as an individual. If you are currently studying at school or college, you would have been given an institution number or buzzword, which then links your application to your school or college. UCAS then requests your references and predicted grades from the school. If you're applying as an individual, you will fill in all this information by yourself. Once you are signed in, you will see your dashboard. Scroll down to the Start button to start your application. Be aware of the application deadline. You need to complete all the sections shown here before you can submit, but take your time as you can always save and come back later. Please note that you don't need to have a confirmed place at a university to start applying for student finance. Once submitted, hold on to your UCAS number for reference. Log back on at any time to check the status of your application, and once you receive offers from any of your universities, accept or reject them via your UCAS account. Thank you for listening, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. If you have any questions, you can find more help by typing in Birkbeck UCAS Essentials in your search engine to find our webpage with more information about Birkbeck and how to apply through UCAS.